Good morning, students. Hope you are all are well at your home. In previous class, we have studied about the identities, that is chapter number 3, expansion. We are going to continue with the same chapter and we will learn a few more questions related to that identities. Okay. Suppose we have given a plus b is equals to 6 and ab is equals to 8. Value of a plus b is given and value of ab is given. And we have to find out the value of a cube plus b cube. So we know that a plus b का whole cube. A plus b का whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab ब्रैकेट में a plus b. We know that a plus b का whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Now we have given value of a plus b is 6, so we will write 6 in place of a plus b and put cube here. Value of a cube plus b cube we have to find out, so it will be as it is, no change in this. 3 into ab, value of ab is 8 and value of a plus b is 6. So simply we will put the value of a plus b here 6 and value of ab is 8. 3 into ab into a plus b. In place of ab we have substitute the value of ab, that is 8, and value of a plus b, that is 6. Now cube of 6, 6 is 36, 36 6 are 216, 216. So we will write 216 in place of 6 ka cube. Value of a cube plus b cube we have to find out, it will be as it is. 8 6 are 48, 48 into 3 we will do multiply here in the rough work. 8 here 24, 2, 12, 144. We will write down 144 here. Okay. Now 144 will be transposed to the LHS side. We will substitute the value of 144 here into the LHS side, that is 216 minus 144. A cube plus b cube. That is finally we will get the value of a cube plus b cube is equals to, when we will subtract 144, 6 minus 4 you will get 2, 11 minus 4 you will get 7, and then 1 minus 1, that is 0, the 72 is the answer. The value of a cube plus b cube is 72. Okay, so you note down all the questions which we are writing on the board in all the and if you have any queries or any problem you can ask in the teachers app. Okay. Now we will learn few more questions here. Suppose we have given, if we have given the value of x plus 1 by x is equals to 2. Value of x plus 1 by x is given, that is 2. And we have to find out the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So for solving this type of question, what we will do, simply we know that the identity a plus b ka whole cube, that is c. X plus 1 by x ka whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3 ab in place of 3 x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, the value of x plus 1 by x is 2, so we will substitute here 2 ka cube. X cube will be as it is, 1 by x cube will be as it is, 3 as it is. Now x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, value of x plus 1 by x is 2, so we will put here 2. 2 ka cube is 2 here 4, 4 2 ja 8, that is x cube 1 by x cube plus 6. We will transpose 6 to the LHS side, then it will become 8 minus 6. If we have a positive sign here, whenever we are transposing any value from one side to another side, the sign will be opposite. We have to put the opposite sign. Here it is positive 6, so when it will go here, it will become minus sign. So now finally we will get the value x cube plus 1 by x cube. x cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to 2. Positive 2 is the final answer. Okay. So note down this question also. This question is from book only, and you can see the notes of this chapter, or you can see the books chapter. If you don't have a book at your home, I will post the pics of this chapter in the teachers parents app also. Okay. Now further we will study one more new identity. After these cubic questions, we solve all the remaining questions from the book and try to solve all these questions. Now we will learn one more identity, that is a plus b plus c ka whole square. See, it is new identity also. A plus b plus c ka whole square. In previous classes we have studied about square of a plus b ka whole square. That is there were two variables. Now we have three variables, a, b and c. A plus b plus c ka whole square. So whenever this type of questions or any question related to this identity comes, so you have to apply this. How it will come? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A plus b plus c ka whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. If in place of plus b, if we have a minus b, put minus 2ab here. Put minus 2bc here. Wherever if we have a negative, if we have negative value of b, so we will put minus 2ab and minus 2bc. If we have negative c value, we will put minus 2bc and minus 2ca. So wherever we have a negative value, we will, in place of that positive value, we will put the negative value. We will understand by the question also. See, I am going to solve a few questions related to this identity. First, I am solving. Suppose we have 2a minus 3b plus 4c ka whole square. See, here the second term, that is the b term, is in minus. So simply a plus b plus c ka whole square, the same identity will apply. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. In place of a we have a 2a, in place of b we have a 3b. Simply see what I have done here, a square plus b square plus c square. So in place of b I have put minus 3b because we have a minus sign here. That's why we will put minus 3b plus c square plus 2ab. In place of a we have a 2a, in place of b we have a minus 3b. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc. B is of minus sign, so we will put minus 3b, and in place of c we have a 4c plus 2ca. C is 4c and a is 2a. Now we will open the bracket. 2 ka square 4, a ka square a square, that is 4a square plus negative ka square always positive. Square of negative value always comes positive. So square of 3 is plus 9, that is 9b square. Square of 4 is 16c square. 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12, but minus sign will come because plus minus. 2 to the 4, 4 into minus 3, minus 12 will come. So I will put minus sign here, minus 12ab. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12 and ab. Okay, now plus minus, so it will come also minus sign. 2 3 are 6, 6 4s are 24, and b and c will come here. And last, all are positive, so positive sign will come. 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. You can write AC or CA, no issues for that. So this is the final answer of this question. Okay, now one more question we will see where two negative terms are there. Suppose we have given 3a minus 2b minus c का whole square. Here the second term, b term is of negative and third term, that is c, is also of negative. So here we will apply the same identity, only we will put the minus sign in b and c. So see here, a plus b plus c का whole square. We have a square, that is 3a square, plus 2b square, so minus 2b का whole square. Whether you put minus sign here or not doesn't matter, because square of negative is always comes positive. So you can also avoid this negative sign here, because after getting square it will become positive. So from first step you can also put positive sign, no worries about that. C, that is negative c, so minus c का whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2. In place of a we have a 3a, in place of b we have a 2b plus 2bc. In place of b we have a 2b, in place of c we have a minus c. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In place of c we have a minus c, and in place of a we have a 3a. Now we will finally open the bracket, and that is square, that is 3 ka square 9, a ka square, a square, that is 9a square, 9a square. Square of negative always comes positive, I told you before also. So negative ka square, that is positive 4, 2 ka square 4, and b ka square 4b square. Square of negative c will come positive c square. Now plus minus sign will come. 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, that is minus ka 12 a b. Now plus minus plus. So here we have two negative values. So negative into negative always comes positive. So negative will become positive. 2 2 ja 4, 4bc. That is plus 4bc will be the final answer of that. That is 4bc, and plus minus. So last term will be 2 3 ja 6 minus ka 6 ac. So when we have to open the bracket, that is 3a minus 2b minus c ka whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In place of b we have substituted minus 2b, in place of b we have substituted minus c. After solving the sums, we will get 9a square plus 4b square plus 4b square plus c square minus 12ab plus 4bc minus 6ac. Okay. Now we will understand one more identity. Or suppose we have given, and in the previous first video of this chapter, we have done. Suppose we have given 100 and we have split 100 into we have given 102 and we split 102 in 100 plus 2, and we have find the cube square of that. Now we will find a cube. How to find out a cube of any numerical digit? Suppose we have given 12 and we have told find out the cube of 12. We have told to find the cube of 12. So how to find out cube of 12? Simply we will multiply 12 into 12 into 12, no. But in exam or in book or in test, we will be asked that find using identity, suitable identity. The suitable identity here it is cube, so we know that a plus b ka whole cube. So 12 we can write 12 as 10 plus 2 ka whole cube. Now it will become identity a plus b ka whole cube. In place of a we have a 10, in place of b we have a 2. So a plus b ka whole cube. We know that a plus b ka whole cube, that is a plus b ka whole cube. We have a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket में a plus b. We know that this identity. So you learn first all the identities and try to solve the sum. Without learning the identities, you will be not able to solve any question. So learn identity first and then solve the sums. So in place of a we have a 10. In place of b we have a 2. Simply we will put 10 plus 2 ka whole cube. Cube of 10 a cube. Cube of b that is 2 cube plus 3 ab. In place of a we have a 10. In place of b we have a 2 ab. In place of a we have a 10. In place of b we have a 2 and bracket में a plus b that is 10 plus 2. Simply 10 का cube will become 1000. 10 into 10 into 10 1000. 2 का cube will become 8. 3 2 जा 6. 6 10 जा 60 and bracket it will come 10 plus 2 that is 12. So it will become 1008. 60 into 12. 12 6 are 72 and 72 and that is 0 720. Okay, after 12 6 are 72 and we have a 0 here, so it will come 0. So 60 into 12 it will come 720. When you will add both this, you will get 1720 is the final answer. Okay, so you just try to solve this few sums I am giving you here. Find now, you can find it your home. First question, that is cube of 17. Second, you can solve cube of 102. You can also find cube of 97 ka whole cube. So what you will do for 17, you can do 10 plus 7 or 20 minus 3, either a plus b ka whole cube or a minus b ka whole cube. Here 102, that is 100 plus 2 ka whole cube. It will be more easy for you if you will apply a plus b ka whole cube for identity. And here 97 is better to solve by minus sign, that is 100 minus 3. 100 minus 3 ka whole cube means a minus b ka whole cube. So in last question you can apply 100 a minus b ka whole cube. Here you can apply a plus b ka whole cube, and here you can apply both identity, any of the one identity, that is 20 minus 3 or 10 plus 7, which you can apply any identity. No, doesn't matter, or there's no compulsion for any particular identity. You can apply any of the identity. The answer will come the same. Okay. Thank you for today. In the next class, we will study about the further more identities of expansion chapter. Okay. Thank you very much.